What is hospitality management all about? There are a lot of students who are confused कि hospitality studies में पढ़ते क्या है? What is a course curriculum? What is a specialization? Because usually क्या होता है, आपने देखा होगा कि एक जो शेफ बन रहा है वो भी hospitality management कर रहा है, एक जो front desk वाला बंदा है वो भी hospitality management कर रहा है. So what is this whole thing all about? Career scope क्या है? क्या आप सीखते हो? Which is one of the best university or the institution that you can study from? What is required? क्या आपको ये करना चाहिए? आपकी starting salary कितनी हो सकती है? So all this question I'll answer in this video. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. So guys, today I have Aarti ma'am with me. She is 10 years experience in the hotel industry and in academics too. So we're going to ask her a few important questions that you need an answer for. Ma'am, so what is hospitality management? As students see कि chef भी वहीं पे है, service industry भी वहीं पे है. So how does that work? What is it exactly?
So to clear the confusion all about hospitality and hotel management, hospitality is a wide umbrella under which you will have hotel management, you will have culinary studies, you will have cruise line studies, and you will have tourism.
So everything under one umbrella.
Everything is under one umbrella.
I so wanted to keep all this informative conversation, but video बहुत lengthy हो जाता. Guys, in this video ahead, I'm gonna show you the celebrity chef who comes from Thailand to teach students at DY Patil. Also, I'll show you यहाँ पे bartending सिखाई जाती है. Also guys, ahead I will show you their bakery and introduce you to the bakery chef and how you can make career as a patisserie chef. So stay tuned till the end to know everything.
As we spoke about the whole hospitality management, now coming to, as we have come to the quality.
We are in the quality training restaurant, yes.
Okay.
So the one which we were in, prior to this we were in the basic training restaurant. That is where our first year students study. This is where our second year and third year students practice their cocktails, mocktails, their bartending skills, you know. So bartending, basically we run a certificate course in bartending.
Oh wow.
And it's a 6 months course, and in which, you know, you learn different types of mocktails, cocktails, bar inventory keeping, a lot of flaring. So, you know, the whole vibe that goes behind the bar. And we take them annually, you know, to a lot of vineyards. We take them to a lot of breweries to, you know, to go there and learn how things happen on ground, you know.
Yeah.
So when you go to a vineyard, it's an experience in itself. When you go to a brewery, it's an experience in itself. So, you know, we don't want them to learn theoretically in the classroom itself. We don't confine them.
Yeah.
So we want them to go.
This setup itself is so beautiful. I think half of them will be excited to join in to do this specifically.
Absolutely.
So this is a part of hospitality management.
This is a part of hospitality studies. And also let me tell you that a lot of our students get jobs on cruise lines, jobs in airlines, you know, because bartending is a very catchy course.
Yeah,
and a lot of skills required again. And if you are an ace bartender, there's no stopping.
That's true. I mean, that's a huge demand for it.
The bar, then psychology of service.
Setup where, you know, the practicals and there's a lot of story behind it.
Yes.
Guys, trust me, they give you an hands-on practical and students were really happy here.
You think the exposure is good in the college? What about the practicals?
It is wonderful. The experience are good.
We Indians love Thai food, Asian cuisines, and when you talk about learning hospitality from the person who is from Thailand, now Swadika is here as a faculty at DY Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Study. Now, ma'am, as you are a celebrity chef and you are teaching the students here the Asian cuisine.
Bring my authentic Thai food to come training and teaching students in DY Patil here. And I'm very proud of myself because every time when I see my students, they get success. They get learn so many opportunities from me, because when I go to my cooking class or cooking show or Thai food festival, I'm very happy to bring all my students like this to along with me and show them how they have to work in the 5-star hotel and become professional and become standard. I love India people to become top 5 India, top chef also for the showing the world.
Wow, where you get such an exposure. Now
I too love this smell, but if you love baking, this is the place you should be in to learn baking, to learn how the industry of, you know, being a patisserie chef. Am I correct, chef?
Yeah. You can just have one chocolate and just check it how it is. There is center filled chocolate inside.
Wow.
Fill
It's a dark chocolate, which I love exactly like that.
getting hands-on experience over here. So each and every students prepare their own stuff, and when they are getting hands-on experience, they are able to work in a 5-star properties. So they don't think, okay, I didn't get that kind of oven and all. So everything over here, you can just see oven they have. They are perfectly advanced oven we have over here. So you will get steaming, you will get grilling, everything over here.
So sir, when we say there is, as we see, a lot of students want to have their own startup. तो आपको क्या लगता है एक फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकती है? बिकॉज खुद से भी बेकिंग करते हैं, बट एक फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग, एक सेटअप, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट?
Correct. Basically, now the students which are coming over here, they know on YouTube you will get everything. Correct? Videos you are getting recipes. But जो हम लोग यहाँ पे सिखाते हैं, so videos बनाने के लिए and the actual practical knowledge, that is two different both the thing.
Yeah.
But when you are getting theory plus practical, that will be a
Hands-on training तो हर इंडस्ट्री में ज़रूरी होता है, but when you talk about such kind of profession, you need professionals with the facilities indeed. And I must say this college has got it all. I met the experts who were the chef in the industry for years, and now after the bakery, let me show you their best place.
We have Chef Naeem with us, who is training the students at DY Patil, and this is your specialty restaurant, right?
Restaurant come kitchen.
Okay, so I think the only college that have this concept where there's a live kitchen and then there's a serving area.
Yes, we have.
So, sir, what do you think there is the impact on learning with this kind of a setup? Because we don't think any other college is providing.
See, this kind of setup gives them a real life scenario of working in an actual restaurant.
Okay.
Because working in a restaurant, working just in the kitchen will not give them the understanding of how the food is served, and when the order comes and when the server gets the order to the kitchen, and everyone is facing you towards the kitchen. So how to be
hygienic, systematic,
how to organize yourself and how to create nice, visually stunning dishes that will give a very eye appealing to the guests. So all this has to be learned. So the students are always on their toes when they know
they're cooking
everybody's
also.
Watching them in the kitchen. So they have to perform at their best.
Initially it used to be like कि cook है, kitchen के अंदर है, but अभी वैसा नहीं रहा है, right?
Now it's all local concept.
So ma'am, as in this industry, exposure is really important. The practical learning is why you have amazing studio, setup, faculty. But when it comes to industry exposure and the pay package, how does DY Patil supports the students and how we go about it?
Okay, so with regards to the kind of industry exposure, I would like to say that we've got workshops happening by industry experts every Friday. Okay, so it can be for kitchen, for bakery, for front office, for food and beverage, housekeeping, sales and marketing. A lot of personality development workshops happen here. We teach our students how to do stress management, exercises, dietitians. A lot of industry experts visiting the campus, So from the first year onwards, we want to groom our students and mold them in a way that, by the time they enter the third year, they are ready, they are equipped to appear for interviews. Okay. On that note, we do a lot of mock interviews also. Okay. So there'll be a panel of their own faculties. They have to sit in front of them. They will be answering questions. There'll be a lot of group discussions. They will be judged on how is their communication style, how they are presenting themselves, and so on and so forth.
From the next question, when students are really nervous about the pay scale in this industry, so would you like to highlight on that, how they start, what will be their salary, how it goes?
See, I can say that, when they enter the hospitality industry, you are entering as a fresher.
Yeah, true.
And nowadays we all know, right, that whenever you are taking employees, everybody expects skilled employees.
Yeah.
So when you're taking a fresher, the pay package is somewhere around 20 to 25K.
Okay.
And let me tell you one thing. After an experience of, 2 to 3 years in the industry, a lot of our students get job opportunities on cruise, in international positions, cruise lines, airlines. A lot of them open their own entrepreneurial ventures. And there's a lot of learning for these students.
Yeah. So exchange program, like students going there, chefs.
So you will have, so you will have our students and our chefs also going to all these various countries.
Okay.
For 10 to 15 days. And this is the kind of learning that we want to give our students. Yes, and then apart from that, you know, we've also got stadium activities.
Yeah.
So a lot of stadium activities, concerts, shows that happen, the matches, and a lot of events basically that happen are all catered to by the School of Hospitality.
So she's talking about the DY Patil Stadium that we listen
the
to,
iconic DY Patil Stadium.
Yeah,
and
the big, you know, the concerts and everything that happens in Mumbai.
Doing a nice workshop for them, and when they come back from industrial visit, these are the kind of certificates that they gain.
Wow.
So it's a different,
It's an add-on for them.
Different kind of benefit, you know, that you can say. So when our students appear for interviews, they don't have empty resumes. They will obviously have their certification, a lot of practical exposure, and these are memories. These are, you know, these are memories that they can take back along with them, and they can implicate all the learnings in their hospitality careers.
Yeah, that's true. So if you're looking forward to join the hospitality school, then guys, check out the description box. All the details are there. You click on the link and the admission for 2025 is open. You saw the infrastructure, you saw the faculties, you saw what you're going to learn. So yes, if you want to make your career in hospitality, tourism, and as a chef, you should definitely consider DY Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies.